Van Andel Education Institute is a strategic partner for us as a provider of specialized science teaching and inquiry practices.
Teachers feel a lot of pressure to cover content in science, and what the community of practice model is providing for them is a way to continue to deliver that content and develop conceptual understanding, but doing that through scientific practice.
To move from a structured lab activity to just by starting with a question and holding off on the content, holding off on the lecture piece, asking kids to get into and kind of discover things. That's what this training with the Van Andel Education Institute is helping teachers think through, gain confidence in, and actually do with kids.
You're going to come up with some kind of a question, all right? So the question is up to you guys. You have to check to make sure that the data you're going to collect matches the question. There's a lot more learning going on at a lot deeper level than in a, I guess you would say, a traditional lab experience where everybody's trying to get the right answer.
Up to this point, quite often what we would do are just like cookbook labs where here's your directions, follow the directions.
Yep. This is what you were supposed to come up with.
And this is what you didn't.
Right.
So, oh well. And
Yeah.
then you move on to the next topic that you're teaching.
You can find a 5-minute video clip that will get them excited and get them engaged, but it doesn't always sustain.
And the kids really enjoy the lab, but they don't always see why. You know, they get to the conclusion and the end result is kind of, well, so. And so putting it all into a context kids can relate to, I think, is going to make it much more powerful for students.
When we're doing our own thing, like we're trying to design our own experiment, it gets us more interested. So we're not all forced to do the exact same thing. We feel like we have more freedom, and so we enjoy it better that way.
I think it's good to let students design their own experiments. I think it opens up some level of creativity, which I think will be beneficial.
It kind of teaches us how to do things step by step and how to be more clear and precise. And I think that kind of helps all of us learn and kind of prepare for the future.
This model moves us back toward that more natural way of developing conceptual understanding, and that's why students find it very exciting, and I think teachers find it as an exciting way to teach because it feels more natural for us.